Good morning, students. In last class, we are discussing fractions. What is a fractions? Fractions are different types, like fraction, unlike fraction, and proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction. So, how to we are addition, how to we are subtraction of fractions. So now today we are going to fractions multiplications. So exercise 2. Exercise 3.2 and 3.3 both are fractions multiplication. So the product of two fractions is equal to the product of the numerators by product of denominator. The product of two fractions is equal to the product of the numerator, product of the denominator. Just these statement keep in your mind, and any problem we are multiplication, just 30 seconds we are enough. So here examples 2 by 3. This is a one proper fraction. Cross out 1. So the product of two fractions is equal to the product of the numerators. So 2 cross out 1. Here 3. 2 by 3. 2 by 3 multiply with 1. 2 by 3. Next one. 4 by 6 cross out 5 by 3. So already we are learned in 6th class these problems. So these two fractions we are multiplied. 4 cross out 5 by 6 cross out 3. 4 5s are 20. 6 3s are 80. That is 20 by 80 product. So product of the numerator, product of the denominator. 2 1 by 2 cross out 3 1 by 4. How to we are multiply? So these both are mixed fraction they are given. That mixed fraction you are convert to the improper fraction. 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1. 5 by 2. Again 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1. 5 by 2. Cross out. 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 1. 13 by 4. Now these two are we are multiplied. Product of the numerator. 5 cross out 13 by 2 cross out 4. 65 by 8. Next one. 2 1 by 2 cross out. 4 1 by 3 cross out. 5 by 6. So here one mixed fraction given, one improper fraction given. So these one you are convert to the improper fraction. 3 4s are 12 plus 1. 13 by 3 cross out 5 by 6. So 13 5s are by 6. 3 cross out 6. 65 by 80. Right. Here one sum you understand, all problems dislike only. Numerators multiply, denominators multiply. Enough. So exercise 2, multiplying the following. Write the answers as a mixed fraction. Here first one, 3 by 6 cross out 10. They are asking multiply these two numbers and answer convert the mixed fraction. So numerators multiply, denominators multiply. So 3 10 30 by 6 1 6. So here see, these both are which table? Cancellation. Cancellation means numerator and denominator both numbers we are division same number. So here 30 by 6, 6 by 6. So 30 by 6 value 5, 5 by 1, denominator 1, no value 5. So actually your 6th, 8th or 9th class, how to your cancellation? 30 by 6. Already I said in 6th class. 6 1 6 5 5 by 1. So 5. Actually this is like a cancellation. So one or two problems I said this like after, this like cancellation. Next one, 1 by 3 cross out 4. So 1 cross out 4 by 3, 4 by 3. These both are cancel any table. 3 table 3 only coming, 3 table 4 not coming. 4 table 4 only coming, 3 not coming. So this is not cancellation. Next one. Here convert the mixed fraction. They are asking. Division you write. 3 1 3. So 1. These one quotient here right. Denominator is never change. 3. So numerator, this is numerator according to fractions. So 1 by 3. This is the denominator, actually 3 only. Next one, 6 by 7 cross out 2. 6 cross out 2 by 7. 6 2 12 by 7. Convert the mixed fraction. 12 7 1 7. Here 5. This is whole number. Quotient is a whole number. Denominator is a 7. Numerator is a 5. So 1 5 by 7. Fourth one, 2 by 9 cross out 5. So 2 cross out 5 by 9. 10 by 9. Next problem, second one. pictures given. Here pictures 1/2 of the circle in box. Shade here asking shade 1/2 of the circle in box. So they are given one box. Each 3 rows. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So they are asking 1/2. 1/2 means half. Half circles shaded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So half circles shaded, half circles unshaded. Next one 2/3 of the triangle. 2/3 of the triangle. So triangles 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So this is a 2/3. So denominator is a 3. So numerator 2 rows we have shaded. So 1. This is 1 row. 2 rows shaded. So total 3 rows. 2 rows we are shaded. Or this like also you shaded. Your wish. Next one 3/5. 3/5 of the rectangle. 3/5 of the rectangle. So here rectangle 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here denominator is a 5. So each row how many? So how to we are shaded? Here denominator is a 5. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many rows we are shaded? 3 rows. 1, 2, 3. So out of 5 rows, 3 rows rectangles we are shaded. Next one 3/4 circles in the triangle. 3/4 of the circles. 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is total box. So here denominator how much? 4. So here 4 columns. This is one row, second row, third row, fourth row. So one row, two rows, three rows. Right. This one. Next one. Find the one by three of 12 in mathematics. Two numbers between of means cross out symbol. So this means 1 by 3 cross out 12. So both numerators multiply. 1 cross out 12. Denominators multiply. 3. So 12 by 3. 3 1s are 3 4s are 4. Next one. 2 by 5 of 15. So 2 by 5 cross out 15. 2 cross out 15 by 5. So 5 1s are 5 3s are. So 2 cross out 3 6. So exercise 2, just 3 problems only. Now we are going to exercise 3. Exercise 3 also as it is this like only. Exercise 3. Exercise 3. First problem. Find each of the following product. Find each of the following product. So here first one, 5 by 6 cross out, 7 by 11. So numerators multiply, denominators multiply. 5 cross out 7 by 6 cross out 11. 5 7s are 35. 6 11s are 66. 35 by 66. Next one, 6 1 by 5. 6 cross out 1 by 5. 6 by 5. Next one, 2 1 by 3 cross out, 3 1 by 5. So these are mixed fraction. These mixed fraction you are convert the improper fraction. Now 3 2s are 6 plus 1. 7 by 3 cross out. 5 3s are 15 plus 1. Here 5 3s are 15 plus 1. 16 by 5. So 7 cross out 16 by 3 cross out 5. So 16 7s are 112 by 3 5s are 15. 112 by 50. So these both are any table. Three, no. Next one. Multiply and reduce the lowest form. So second one, multiply and reduce lowest form. 2 by 3 cross out. 5 1 by 5. So 2 by 3 cross out. 5 5s are 25 plus 1 26 by 3. So now numerators multiply, denominators multiply. 2 cross out to 26, 3 cross out to 5. So 2 26 are 52 by 15. So these both are which table? So 52 by 15 cancellation. Any table? No. So next one, 2 by 7 cross out to 1 by 3. Second one, 2 by 7 cross out 1 by 3. These both are your multiply. 2 cross out 1, 7 cross out 3. 2 by 21. So this one we are converted in mixed fraction. We have chance here. So 15 3s are 45. 7 by 50. 15 3s are 45 plus 7. 52. Like this one? No. Next this one also we are converted in mixed fraction. 1 1 by 5. 5 1s are 5. 1 by 6 by 5. That is our their ask. They cannot ask, but I only said. So 9 by 3 cross out. 5 by 5 easy. So 9 cross 9 by 5 by 3 by 5. 9 5s are 45 by 3 5s are 15. These both are which table? 15 1s are 15 3s are. So 3. Here only cancel. 5 5 cancel. 3 1s are 3 3s are. Direct 3. Next one, which one is greater? Here two fractions given. So in that two fraction, which fraction is greater? Which one is smaller? That is asking. Which one greater? Two by 5 half. 4 by 7 or 3 by 4 half. 1 by 2. So two numbers between half, that word means cross out in mathematics. So here 2 by 5 cross out, 4 by 7, 3 by 4 cross out, 1 by 2. Numerators multiply, denominators multiply. 2 4s are 5 7s are 3 1s are 4 2s are. So 8 by 35 or 3 by 8. So which one is a bigger fraction? So large fraction. This is a large fraction. How do we say? You are convert the denominators are equal, numerators which one is a large number, that is a large fraction. So 8 8 are 64, 35 3s are 105. So 3 by 8 is greater fraction. Greater means you cannot see the numbers. Just you are multiply the both numbers. Which one is a big? That is a big fraction. So here 35 given. So 35 is a large fraction. Don't think that like.
తారాలను తీసుకోము అంటే నేను వచ్చి లేట్ అవుతుంది కదా నువ్వు కెమెరా ఆడుస్తున్నావు వేసుకుని వెళ్తావు మరి తీసుకొని పోయి రేపు పొద్దున్న తీసుకో చాలు
కెమెరా
మీరు సరే నేను ఉంటాను.
నెక్స్ట్ వన్. Next problem, 1 by 2 half 4 by 7 or 2 by 3 half 3 by 7. So here 1 by 2 cross out to 4 by 7, 2 by 3 cross out to 3 by 7. 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 by 7, 3 1s are 3 3s are 2 by 7. Both are equal. Both are equal fractions. Next one. Rehana work 2.5 hours each day her embroidery. So she complete the work in 7 days. How many hours did she take to complete her work? So here easy. Fourth one, Rehana work each day. How many hours? 2.5 hours. So Rehana work. Rehana work. How many days? 7 days. Rehana working days 7. So Rehana taken time, taking hours to complete work. So how many hours? Each day 2.5 hours. So 7 days each day 2.5. 7 2s are 14, 7.5, 3.5. So total 17.5. 7 cross out, 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5 by 2. 7 5s are 35 by 2. These one convert into mixed fraction. 7 1s are 2 1s are 2, 1 5, 2 7s are 14, 1. So 17 1.5 hour. 17 half hour. Rehana complete her work. Next, a truck 8 kilometers using 1 liter petrol. How much distance will it cover using 10 2/3 liters of petrol? So fifth one, 1 liter petrol cover distance 8 kilometers. 10 2/3 liters petrol cover distance. How much? 10 2/3 cross out 8. So 3 10 are 30 plus 2. 30 2/3 cross out 8. 32/3 cross out 8. 256/3. So division. Remaining 2 problems are homework. 3 8 are 24. 1 16. 3 5 are 15. 1. So 85 kilometers 1/3 meters cover. So remaining 2 problems. Sixth one, 6,7. 2 problems homework. Okay, today we are finished 3.2 exercise 3.2 exercise 3.3. So everyone practice at home these problems. Shall leave the class. Take care.